Hello friends, I'm here with my next video regarding theory of demand part 2. So let's start this video. In my previous lecture I've discussed regarding the slope of demand curve and many things, so please refer the previous video. इसके पहले वाला वीडियो प्लीज़ देख लीजिएगा तो आपकी लिंक इस वीडियो से अच्छी हो जाएगी. Now moving on to this is first topic which we'll discuss is demand function. A demand function is of two types. First is individual and second is market. In individual, these are the factors which are affecting the demand. First is price of own commodity. It means that any change in the price will change the demand of the commodity. Now, the law of demand, which we will discuss, is basically based on price and quantity demanded of a commodity. Second most factor is price of related goods. Third is income of consumer. Then next is taste and preferences, and next is your expectations of consumer. Now these are the factors of individual demand function. We will discuss these factors in detail moving forward. Before understanding, let's understand what is movement along the demand curve and what is shift in demand curve, because we will be learning about this. हमको ये पता करना पड़ेगा कि movement में क्या होता है और shift में क्या होता है. In movement there is either extension or there is either contraction. This is either extension or either contraction, but in shift there is either increase or either decrease in the demand curve. Now let us see what is extension. When the price of commodity decreases, the quantity demanded increases while other things remaining constant. What are the other things? That price of related good, taste, income, expectations, ये सारी चीज़ें constant रहेंगी. तो अगर प्राइस डिक्रीज हो रहा है, अल्टीमेटली क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड आपकी क्या होगी? इंक्रीज होगी. सी द क्वांटिटी डिमांड शिफ्ट्स फ्रॉम ए टू बी एज द प्राइस reduces. So ultimately this is known as extension in demand. Now moving forward, let's see what is contraction. Contraction is just opposite of extension. When the price increases, quantity demanded decreases. See, the quantity shifts from A to B as price increases and quantity demanded decreases. Why does it happen? Because price and quantity demanded have a negative relationship with each other, or I can say an inverse relationship with each other. दोनों के बीच में एक नेगेटिव रिलेशनशिप होता है. आगे समझते हैं कि इसमें क्या चेंजेस आएंगे. नाउ व्हाट इज इंक्रीज इन डिमांड? इंक्रीज इन डिमांड जो होगा वो अदर फैक्टर्स के कारण होगा, प्राइस के कारण नहीं होगा. व्हाट आर द अदर फैक्टर्स? प्राइस ऑफ रिलेटेड गुड, टेस्ट, इनकम, expectations of the consumer. In this, what will happen? Your demand curve will shift. The new demand curve will arise. See here price line is constant. यहाँ पे आपकी price line constant है, लेकिन जो आपका demand curve पहले था अब वो shift हो जाएगा, उसकी position change हो जाएगी because other factors are changing. Here it is not extension, here it is increase. बहुत माइन्यूट डिफरेंस है इंक्रीज और एक्सटेंशन में. एक्सटेंशन में प्राइस के कारण चेंज होने के कारण एक्सटेंशन होता है, बट यहाँ पे इंक्रीज में योर क्वांटिटी इज इंक्रीजिंग but because of other factors. Next we have decrease in demand. Same, यहाँ पे again price constant रहता है, only change is there in the other factors of the commodity. You can see there will be a new demand curve arising here, means your demand curve will shift to left. In increase, the demand curve shift to right, or I can say a forward shift in the demand curve happens in increase, and in decrease, a backward shift happens in the demand curve. Now, the second most factor which we have been discussing is price of related good. There are two types of goods. First is substitute goods and second are complementary goods. Now, understand what are substitute goods. Substitute goods are those goods which are can be replaced with each other, or which can be used in place of each other, such as tea and coffee, ball pen and ink pen means वो एक दूसरे का satisfaction complete करते हैं. Now, there is a relationship between these two substitute goods. Increase in price of substitute goods will increase the demand of other good, or vice versa. I will explain it in the coming lecture how it is happening, that increase in price of substitute increases the demand of other. Now, what is complementary goods? Complementary goods are those goods which are being used together, or I can say they together complete the demand of the commodity. Take for an example, bread and butter. These are used together. Car and petrol. These are complementary means because they can be used together. एक दूसरे के साथ अलग अलग इनको use नहीं किया जा सकता. They can be put together and then being used. There is a relationship between complementary goods also. Complementary goods, increase in price of complementary goods decreases the demand of other good, or vice versa. Now, you will understand this in my coming lecture. Thanks for watching this.